Hello, this is Stefan again from schristoph.online. Today we will walk through my latest weekly review, the Sunday Digest that recaps the week on the blog. This week, 3 posts turned out to share one quiet idea: the structure you do not design still gets drawn. The week opens with Conway's law. The system ends up mirroring how the organization that built it communicates. So on the cloud, your service and account boundaries drift toward your team boundaries, whether you planned it or not. The powerful move is to shape the teams first and let the architecture follow. Next, why AI tokens are so expensive. A model has 2 phases. It reads your prompt in parallel, which leans on raw compute, and it writes each new token one at a time, which leans on memory bandwidth. Long context fills a cache that competes for the same memory, and prompt caching helps by reusing work you already paid for. The third post jumps 20 years from a university team of soccer-playing cube robots to a workshop where you build a squad of cloud agents to play the same game. The tools changed completely. The problem did not arise: a shared view of the world and real-time decisions between agents. Read together. It is 3 views of one idea. Conway draws the hidden structure in your org chart. Token economics draws it in memory and math. And multi-agent systems draw it in the roles your agents settle into. The useful work each time is naming that structure so you can shape it on purpose. You might ask yourself, is that a real threat or just a tidy story told after the fact? It is honestly a lens, not a law. But each post really is about undesigned structure that hardens anyway. So the lens earns its place rather than forcing a theme. The review closes with further reading. A short list of public things I read this week but did not turn into their own post. From a companion take on Conway and AI, to a tool that cuts token cost, to where agent orchestration is quietly commoditizing. Thanks for listening. I hope this was helpful. If so, you can reach out on LinkedIn directly or head to my blog at schristoph.online. Let's keep in touch. Take care.